You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Originally from Hebrew, from the Bible. If you want to learn more biblical names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounce the Hebrew pronunciation, Serug. Serug. In English, therefore, it is also commonly pronounced as Serug. Some may say it also as Serug. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.